Today's video is regarding Canon PIXMA TR4527 printer, how to install or replace the ink cartridge. Now the first step is to switch on your printer, and once your printer is on, we open the front tray. Now you can see there is another tray as well, so just open this door. You will see the cartridge will move and come to the center here. Now you just have to hold it like this, press it downwards, and it will just come out. And the cartridge number for in this model is 244 for color, and that is 243 is for black. Now to install it, remove the new cartridges from the packaging. Now this is the color one, just insert it straight in and push it in and upside, and same for the black cartridge, and you will hear a sound, so that means it's installed. Close the door, and now place the paper in the tray and it's ready to use. Thanks for watching.